Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to create 3D animated cartoon stories with free AI tools. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So in this video, you will be learning how you'll be able to create an animated cartoon like this one, and we will turn it into a story. So we will show you the step-by-step process on how we will be able to create our very own 3D animated stories with this free AI tools that we will show you later on. You can see here are some of the previews of the animated cartoons that we turned into a story. And all you have to do first is go to your web browser and go to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. And first here is that you just need to let the AI or ChatGPT write the story for you. So you can type in a prompt, create a story about blank. So you will write in the topic, who are the characters, what they are doing, or what their profession would be, or where the location is, so that it would be more precise. And the next thing here is that you need to indicate on how many scenes you'd like to show in your story. So once everything has been written out, like this one that I have made ahead of time, you'll be able to see that it provided you 5 scenes, and it shows you here that it provides as a character of a little girl and a puppy. This actually is a story wherein we will be creating later on, since the puppy is for adoption and the little girl will be adopting that puppy. So what we will be using to generate the animated cartoon image would be ideogram. You can definitely use this for free and create an account for free without any charges. So you can just type in ideogram.ai, and all you have to do is create an account or log in if you already have created one, and simply type in the prompt here. You can just type in a cute, happy cartoon baby or a little girl, and then you put a period, and then the next would be what style that cartoon would be. And then you can indicate here there are options on what style would it be. Is it 3D, photo? You have other options as well, whether if you want it illustrated or painting, you can definitely do so. But here we will have it as 3D, and we will be able to, or ideogram will be able to generate characters like this one. Okay, since there's a lot of scenes and there's a lot of things that our character will be doing, I actually did the generation of the images ahead of time, like this one. You can see that there's a puppy, and the good thing here with ideogram is that you can actually incorporate words into your prompt, so that when you will, or when ideogram will generate the image for you, the word is also on the image that is generated. All you have to do is simply put quote unquote. So now that we already have downloaded the images from ideogram, next thing we will do is go to runwayml. That's app.runwayml.com, and this is where we will be able to turn our images into videos, or this is just short clips, so that our cartoon images would be animated. So all you have to do, this is also for free, but the number of seconds or the number of videos that you'll be able to animate would be limited. I believe that's around less than 100 seconds. So here you can just simply download or upload the video or the image, and then click on generate, and you'll be able to see like this cute girl here that is already being animated. So we just need to save the video so that we will be able to use that later on when we will be editing or compiling all the short clips that we have animated. So we need to do that in all of the images that we downloaded from ideogram. And here, once we have the video, the next thing that we will do is go to canva.com. This is the platform where we will be editing our videos. You just need to click on this video option right here. And then you will have the option whether you want it a mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reel, or just the blank video option right here on the first one. So you can also use templates, but for me, I'll just use the blank option. I want to start from scratch. And once this is loaded, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to upload or create the scenes of the video. So first thing here is that once we have fully downloaded all the videos from Runway ML, all the animated images that we just generated, we will click on the upload option on the left side panel of the screen and go to downloads. And we just simply highlight all of these images or the videos that we will be importing here at Canva, so that we will be able to edit that and compile that into one short story. So here it may take a while to load, so you just simply drag and drop, or you can click on upload files button and then it will allow you to upload your files here. So once you have uploaded all the videos, you just simply drag and drop that here on the bottom part of the preview pane. That's how you will be able to add the scenes of your video. So you can just, let me just do it here. This may take a while, so I just fast forwarded the video editing part. So I'm just resizing the clips so that it would fit the format of our video. So now that we have successfully edited out or uploaded all the videos, the next thing that we will do here is go to 11labs.io. This is where we will be able to create the narration for our short story for the cartoon animation that we have. So all you have to do is create an account. That's definitely for free. You just simply choose your voiceover actor, who or what voice you would like to be incorporated into your voiceover for the animation or for the narration. So whether you wanted a man or a woman, that depends on your preference. So once you have chosen who the voiceover actor would be, you just go back to ChatGPT and copy all the words that is on each scene. For me here, I will do it scene by scene so that it would be easier for me to edit out the clips and align it perfectly into the video so that the story would still in line on what the image or what the animation is showing here when we will be editing it out. So I just did all of the voiceovers for each scenes. So I just simply go to 11 or to Canva again and then upload the audio. And we just need to import that or add it into our scenes here so that when we will play the animation, there would be a voiceover at the background already, so it would be more understanding and you will be able to understand what the story of the animation that we've created here in Runway ML and all the other AI tools that we used earlier. So when you click on play, you'll be able to see there's a girl, little girl's a puppy. So it's definite. It may not be perfect. There are some proportions that are not that 100% perfect. But the thing here is that it definitely will provide you the animation or the story that you are looking for and that you want to incorporate here into your short animation or short story animation here with the AI tools.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little neighborhood, lived a baby named Lily and a playful puppy named Max. One sunny morning, as Lily's parents took her for a stroll in her stroller, they passed by a house with a puppies for adoption sign. Max, a small and energetic pup, eagerly wagged his tail and greeted Lily with his big brown eyes. Lily's face lit up with joy as she reached out to pet the adorable pup. Lily's parents, seeing the instant connection between their baby and the puppy, decided to adopt Max.
And that's basically it. That's how you will create a 3D animated cartoon story using free AI tools. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!